Welcome to the Blender platform, the anonymous borrowing and lending community. You can create your own line of credit, choose your own interest rates, and receive loans from lenders. Or lend to other members and receive interest payments. Let's begin. First, let's register. Simple and easy. Great, you've signed up. This is your dashboard, where you'll view lines of credit you've loaned to and created, as well as your financial summary over time. In the upper left of your screen, touch the Blender logo. Here, you can change the display currency across the platform. Let's choose USD. Nice, all values are displayed in USD. Now, we'll visit your profile. There, you can view your current stats on the platform, like your Blender score, the ratio of repaid loans over borrowed loans. You've just joined, so you'll see these stats develop over time. Now, we are on the browser, where you can view all lines of credit on the platform. Let's choose one. Nice. This screen summarizes a line of credit. It provides detailed information about this account, as well as the borrower's stats and credibility. Touch the star in the upper left to read lender-written reviews about this borrower. We can view the borrower's overall credibility rating as well. Good reviews on top, bad reviews on bottom. Alright, now let's return to the account summary. Scroll down on this screen, and you'll view this borrower's statistics, such as their Blender score and their borrowing and repayment rates. If you deem this borrower credible enough for a potential loan above the account's minimum contribution, you can contribute funds. To contribute, enter the amount you'd like to lend and touch Contribute. Then, follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, enter your password to finalize the action. Awesome! You've made your first contribution. Borrowers withdraw the funds you contribute by creating withdrawal requests, which must be approved by 50% of lenders prior to withdrawal. Note the percentage interest rate at the top right of the screen. After a withdrawal, the debt balance increases and debt accrues interest monthly at this prorated annual interest rate. This is how lenders earn interest. Let's approve of this borrower's request. Touch the request under Pending Withdrawal Request and follow the on-screen prompts again. Finally, enter your password to finalize the action. Awesome! You successfully lent to a borrower and approved of a withdrawal of a portion of your contribution. The remaining portion of your contribution is still liquid and can be reclaimed at your will. Now, let's act as the borrower. To create a withdrawal request, touch the switch button to display the withdraw button. Enter an amount to request from your lenders and touch withdraw. Then, follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, enter your password to finalize the action. Nice. You've created your first withdrawal request. Once a request has received over 50% approval from your lenders, you may finalize the request. Touch the request under Pending Withdrawal Request and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, enter your password to finalize the action. Great, you've just made your first withdrawal. This withdrawal value will be added onto your principal for the next interest compounding cycle. It's now time to make a payment. Borrowers make payments to lenders to grow their statistics, ratings, reviews, and credibility on the platform. Borrowers with poor credibility tend to be overlooked by lenders and lose the remaining portions of received contributions in their accounts, as lenders reclaim the remaining contributions and give honest ratings about their experiences. Maintain your credibility by paying your lenders monthly at minimum. Each payment must meet or exceed the minimum contribution of the account. To make a payment, enter the amount you'd like to repay and touch Pay. Then, follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, enter your password to finalize the action. Nice, you've made your first payment. You now know how to interact with lines of credit. So, it's time to create your own. Return to the dashboard and touch New. Touch Interest Compounding Repaid Loan. Enter the total amount you'd like to receive, your annual debt accrual rate, and the minimum contribution allowable from lenders, which also serves as your minimum monthly payment. Then touch Continue when finished. Remember, creating a line of credit account is a responsibility. Do so with consideration. The Blender platform also provides tools, resources, and settings. Touch the drawer in the upper right of the screen. Here, you can fund your wallet with USD using our online cryptocurrency exchanger and deposit Ethereum funds into your Blender wallet. View due payments that you owe or are owed. Send funds to peers on the platform. View your credentials. Review the terms of use. And access information about Lenderblock, the creators of the Blender platform. Fantastic! You're ready to join our community. Welcome.